Hello kids! How are you today? Are you good? Let's figure out what animal makes the sound. Let's go! What animal makes that sound? What animal is this? Is the crocodile. Very good, guys. Look, it's the crocodile. Now, what animal makes that sound? Is the elephant. Very good, guys. Elephant. Now, let's see what animal does that sound. What animal? Is the lion. Very good. Now, what animal makes that sound? Listen. What animal? Very good, kids. It's the pig. Now, what animal makes that sound? Listen. Very good, kids. It's the snake. Look at the snake. Now, what animal makes that sound? Very good, guys. It's the tiger. Look at the tiger. So, that's it for today, kids. I hope you enjoy our class. Bye-bye, guys, and see you.